July. I observed her watching for people. Everybody who walks by looks to see if there's anybody she knows. She didn't really react to the dogs when we walked down the hallway there, other than try and get away from them. So she's likely dog friendly.
She tried to avoid the other dogs.
She tried. Yeah, that's what I saw too. I tried to give her some treats and she didn't know what they were, so she may not have had a great life. Look how sweet she is.
Oh, you got the memo about how boxers are great kissers, huh?
She's very sweet.
Oh, and your breath is very sweet.
Oh.
Oh.
What a love bug.
Oh, boy, you got too many tumors, baby.
Does she? Oh, no, I didn't see them. Where are they? Oh, she does. Oh, yeah, there's a big tumor here on the side. No wonder the people didn't come together. Well, I don't know if she's chipped, if they even... Oh, yeah, there. I can get that. She got tumor. But it looks like it might just be a fatty tumor the way it's dangling off the side there.
Yeah, the one below that looks different. This one, although that's really soft too.
Yeah.
There's a couple on her chest.
Okay.
Hi.
You said there's some on the chest. Let me see if I can see. Oh yeah, there's one on the chest right there. Okay, so she acts normal. I don't know if anybody would want to do surgery on all that or just keep her comfortable for however long she has.
Carly.
She's definitely ready to go home. She's been somebody's dog. She probably lives in a house.
No? You don't care about my treats?
She doesn't care about treats.
How about cold cuts?
She doesn't know what treats are. Yeah, she maybe had cold cuts instead. Okay, this is Carly. She's available now.